Naghahanap ka rin ba ng masarap na makakainan at walang hassle sa parkingan na pwedeng puntahan dito sa Pampanga? Come and visit Chin's Plate. This amazing resto specializes in Southeast Asian cuisine. Their menu is filled with mouth-watering dishes that showcase the flavors of Southeast Asia. From appetizers like Vietnamese fresh spring rolls and pork fried spring rolls to soups like tom yum. Natikman ko rin ang kanilang malasa at masarap na chicken satay at ang kanilang moping Thai pork barbecue with papaya salad. At sino bang makakatanggi dito sa masarap at malutong nilang chicken skin na lalong pinasarap ng kanilang jalapeno dipping sauce. And don't forget to try their unique twist on the traditional Filipino dish, ang kanilang crispy kare-kare. For noodle lovers, their shrimp pad thai is a must try. Natikman ko rin ang kanilang pomelo salad na napaka-refreshing ng lasa. For a comforting Filipino touch, hindi makukumpleto ang food trip natin kung hindi natin matitikman ang kanilang flavorful na bagoong rice. Sobrang na-excite din ako sa kanilang mga desserts. Mango sticky rice with creamy coconut milk at di magpapahuli ang kanilang turon with vanilla ice cream. And to complement our meal, we sip on the refreshing Thai milk tea and basil and lime smoothie. Hindi ka talaga madi-disappoint sa pag-dine-in mo dito sa Chin's Plate dahil sa kakaibang food trip at experience ang matitikman mo dito. At pwede ka na rin parang magpa-deliver via Grab Food. Chin's Plate is located at Stall G, Inok Gas Station, de la Bastagan, San Fernando, Pampanga. Enjoy mga senyora, mga tana!